Hi guys, how we doing today? Please bear with me as we're testing something out today. If you hear some strange noises, I do have Loki in here with me. We are test running. Let's see if I can get to where you can see. Say hi, Loki. Say hi, Loki. We are test running him being in here with me instead of alone in the bird room with the birds, because he is still a pup. At 1.5 years old, that is definitely still a pup. And we are learning. But you never want to leave a dog alone with small animals and birds, because no matter how well behaved they are, they still will have tendencies and urges that you have to account for. But if you hear a lot of no's and leave-its and things like that, just bear with me. So we are going to be working on primering Miss Bunny here. We got a little bit of a start on her, but I wanted to work mostly on it today. Come on, Loki. Go lay down, sweet boy. Excuse me. I'm hoping that he'll get used to this idea and will be in here with me quite a bit over the next couple of months. Loki was brought partially as emotional support and companionship, partially as protection. I do have fairly questionable neighbors. But he is definitely in training. He is doing his absolute best to live up to his name some days, which we're kind of used to. We were expecting a little bit of mischief out of a young Mastiff mix. We have not gotten a blood test done on him yet, so we don't know exactly what mix he is. The shelter just told us Mastiff mix. And he does have behaviors that match that. Hi, sweet boy. I know. Go get your Kong. So please, like I said, bear with me. There's a lot of new sights and smells in here for him. Keeping him out of mischief is going to be a super fun challenge. Come here, sir. You gotta lay down. We tried doing a Kong, but apparently the Kong is not nearly as interesting as all of Mama's stuff. But that's okay. And I am aware I'm kind of all over the place today. Like I said, today is a test run. Loki, settle, sweet baby. Settle down. And even if this is just a disaster, we're still going to go ahead and post this video. Because I think more people need to realize you have to have patience with your pets. Loki has been with us about a month, and he's still learning what he can and can't get away with. Takes some patience, but we love him to death, and he does test our patience, that is for sure. But I can't imagine the people that gave him up. I can't imagine giving him up just because he is a puppy and wants to get into everything. And I do have a run outside for him. I also have a 40-foot tie out for him. However, it is hot today, and I would rather have him in here with me, where I know he's not going to overheat, because he has access to water and he has access to his food. And he has access to all of the mischief he wants to get into, but that's okay. Loki, lay down. Come on, go get your phone. The only way an animal like that can learn what they can and can't do is if you let them explore and let them learn through trying different things. Loki, come here. Good boy. Now sit. Mommy's trying her best not to paint you, sir. Come on. Oh, if you don't want mischief, don't name your dog after the god of mischief. I apologize for the camera issues. Loki decided my tripod was super interesting. He's a baby, but he's learning. Good boy. Good boy, Sid. Good boy. So I am super excited about Miss Bunny here. I actually bought some ribbon today for her hat. I think we might do a video eventually of just getting the hat prepped and made, because I think I am going to paint it. I think she's going to be all different shades of brown, and I'm thinking a white hat with flowers and ribbon. And just make it a really spectacular little hat. Get in there. Come on, Loki. Dogs will be dogs. We have decided to be a good boy and lay here at my side, though. For a second. I am hoping that he will decide to settle in and make this something that we can do on a decent basis, because it gets a little bit lonely sitting out here. It might be kind of nice to actually have some company while I'm working, because my boyfriend and my mother-in-law, as much as they love what I'm doing, they don't want to be out here and accidentally interrupt when we're doing the film thing. Though I'm thinking if I get cleared to become his mother's caretaker, you might start seeing her pop up in my videos. I think I might do a little portion of just me and her every so often. Did you get a nose full of dust, sir? There's a lot of that. Yeah. So she is gonna, I think, clear up really nicely. There's some beautiful details to this statue. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun getting nice. Loki, drop it. Get it here. She does have a lot of nice details that will be a lot of fun for shading and shadowing and such. I think she's going to be an incredible addition to the garden. And we seem to have gotten zoomed in a bit there, didn't we? I think Loki decided to readjust us a bit. Don't eat the paper towel, sir. I know it seems probably a little bit bonkers trying to accomplish anything with a puppy in the room. And it probably is, but we'll get there eventually. And you can't expect an animal to just know how to behave in a new environment. You have to teach them, which means you have to have the patience to teach them. And he doesn't mean any harm. He's not causing any real problems. He's just a curious baby in a new environment. He is very good at testing my patience, though. He just wants to sniff every single thing. Loki. And he was very interested in my tripod. Loki, sir, you gotta back up. Come on. But he'll get there. So I think I am going to go ahead and stop there for today and give Loki a break because he's kind of stressing out just a little bit. But I will be back in just a little while to start the next video. Until then, I will see you guys later.